Have you ever wondered where all the food you eat every day comes from? Well, if you have, you can thank photosynthesis for this. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make food using energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar. All organisms get energy from food, but only plants can make food through photosynthesis. Plants gather materials to make food with the sun's energy. This process takes place inside the chloroplast, which is inside the cells of a plant. Carbon dioxide and water are the main materials that go into the chloroplast. Once gathered, the sun turns these materials into food by forming it into glucose, also known as sugar. After the process, oxygen and water are released into the air since it is no longer needed. Carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and energy from the sun are the three materials needed for photosynthesis. Once photosynthesis is complete, both plant and animal cells break down the sugar inside of it to get energy. This results in carbon dioxide and water, which is called cellular respiration. This is needed to get cells the energy they need to function. Cellular respiration is very important to every living organism on Earth. Energy stored in sugar needs to be released so it can be useful for cells. If living organisms could not get energy out of food, then food would have no value and all living things would eventually die. Animals are experts at storing glucose, but they are not able to store gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is why animals have to breathe every second. Glucose and oxygen are the main materials used for cellular respiration. There are also waste materials in this process. They are known as carbon dioxide and water. In animals, carbon dioxide and water are released into the blood. Carbon dioxide is carried into the lungs. Here it is exchanged for oxygen, but water is carried to the kidneys where it is removed in urine. Overall, plants make food, a type of sugar, through a process called photosynthesis. This sugar is sent throughout the plant for the cells to use. Any extra sugar is released since it is no longer necessary. Afterwards, animals eat a plant or another plant eater in order to obtain the energy originally stored in plants. Both plants and animals break down the sugar into a form they can use in order to release stored energy. This process is called cellular respiration. This is exactly how both plants and animals get the energy they need in order to live and thrive. Photosynthesis provides food and energy. It impacts our daily lives. It is so essential to life on Earth that most living organisms, including humans, cannot survive without it.